that in terms of the issue of unlimited of 400 something million that Madzayo was talking about, I wish to clarify that we are up to date in paying CPF and RAF fund. What there was of those things of 400 something went to court and we won. So it's an issue I think the county attorney can explain.
Supply the documents.
County attorney can explain.
You have a very good response. Then give us that document and it's over. You won't even have to be there but explain. That's what I meant. Because these are information that we need here at the Senate. People don't seem to understand when we proceed. Yet you are half-baked with half-baked information. You need to give us that information, which the governor is doing now. Do you have that information with you?
Chair, with your
You have it
permission,
here.
with your permission, Chair.
Through you, Chair, I have been waiting to Chair, kindly. Chair, kindly.
Let Madzayo, then I come back.
Yeah, I think you people are not supporting it. Because whatever you have come up with here, it's not for the government to struggle. We have handled so many other counties like this. And they don't have this kind of a problem that you have. We want you to, as I stated earlier, if you needed time, we will be able to give you. And then you can tell us, or we can tell you when to come. When you are fully loaded with information that all these things that they are looking for. Because whatever answers you're giving us are so inadequate that my brother here, who is representing you in the Senate, is not satisfied at all. So why don't you say, okay, fine, when you want us to come back, so that we will bring all the information. We're even embarrassed right now, if I can tell you, you as one of the critical staff of finance, that you owe the employees 477 million, and you're not even telling us on how you are going to. This is statutory deductions, which you don't even submit. How do you tell you when these people retire, how do you tell to pay them? So these are not the issues.
You know, Chair, we don't know about
Just a second.